I'm going to show you how to create a moving wall just like this one here. We can move it right or we can move it left. You could be making an escape room and you want your walls to be moving forwards and backwards like this, for example. So what we're going to have to go and do is look through the devices. The device that we want is called the prop mover. So go ahead, click content, click devices, write in prop mover, and it looks like this. Drag that into your game space, or just place it down as a prop. When you place it down, you'll want the prop that you're moving to glow like this one is, and you'll see because it goes from red to green. Inside of here, enable drawing always, gameplay only or something. Keep this on metric, I'd recommend. Distance is how far you want it to move, and obviously speed is how fast. So it will take 4 seconds for it to move this full distance. For all of these on collision behaviors, I recommend just putting them all to continue and changing the damage to 0 on all of them, because by default I think they'd be on stop and they'd be on like 10 damage. So allow reverse past start, I'd say keep that on, or actually that's probably better to be on no as well, and then should move from start. We've also put that to no. Path complete action, so do we want it to repeat the movement in the opposite direction, or well, what do we want to do with it? Do we want to do nothing? Do we want it to repeat? Do we want it to ping pong? Or do we want it to reset? They all do different things, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. For us, we can just keep it on none. We could try ping pong if you want to see what that looks like, but for me, none is fine. So now, we'll start the game. We can see, we can move it one way. Oh, there we go. Move it forward. See if we press it again. Won't move fast, which is what we want. And we can move backwards. That is perfect. If we're using this maybe for a an escape room, we could maybe use ping pong. So let's say we're using this for an escape room. Let's go ahead and change path complete action to reset actually. So we'd want it to like say only go 10 and move very slowly. Now when we find the prop, we'll find whatever we needed. We click this, slowly moves. We go to the next room, and so that the next person also has to do it, the wall's back. That's perfect for us. So that is how you create a moving wall in 1.0. And I hope this helps. I got a course, top link in the description. It's to get you absolute beginners into publishing your own maps and teaching you along the way. I also have other videos if you don't want to pay for anything, so go ahead and keep watching those.